Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2023. This video to give the details guide and tip to how to win on the 8th round from round 1. So this is very important video. You're watching this, yeah, I'm sure you can win the game because you started very early, but with the right strategies, right? So Capsim Capstone has 8 rounds, right, and focus on five product segment. Traditional low-end to high-end performance insight you see on the screen. And if you are watching this video, you get the right strategy. You can add 3 new products. So you should add the first new product in the low-end segment, because the low-end segment accounts for more than 35% of the market share, and traditional they also accounts for around that percentage of the market share. Even you notice that the number 3, 4, 5 high-end performance insights, they get higher growth rate from around 15 or 16% each round, but their market share very small, around only 10%. So the good strategy is focus on traditional and low-end first, and then you can focus on one of the 3 other segment. And now we look at the marketing screen. For marketing, we can set the price based on the career report and look at the price of competitors in all the 5 segments you see on the screen. You can download the Excel file to see that, the free Excel file to calculate the sales focus. Now the sales focus, you can download the free Excel file with the link under this video to calculate the sales focus based on the number of units we sold from last round. Remember, we can check the career report to find out the number we need to sold from last round and multiple by the segment growth of each round, each segment, and then we can put that in your sales focus. Do not ever use the number suggested by the system, because it is based on the average sales of all teams last round. And now for the production, we calculate the production plan by using the sales focus and deduct inventory. You see on the screen the first and the second line, first and the second row. You can put the production schedule, and remember to add 15 or 20% of the to keep some inventory and avoid being out of the stock, right? So we also sell some surplus capacity to invest in the other products, right? So you see on the screen we do that with traditional and high end. And now we input the number for automation. We increase automation for traditional to 6 and low end to 5 and low end to 6.5, and also added the capacity for the new product we just added in the low end segment. And for the finance, now you see on screen, finance, we use all the 3 sources of fund: stock, SEO, long-term and short-term loan. So we will have enough fund for our first 3 rounds, right? So that's the overview of the round 1. To start 8th round, you win the game in all the 8 rounds, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need the support, you can send the email. If you need to understand all the decision of each round, you can arrange time for 1 hour Zoom session.